My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called ForceLock. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the data. Anyway, you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ForceLock ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this ForceLock extension to the file names. As a consequence, it's impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware reveals the ransom note titled as How to Back Files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Now, what I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus application such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com. So through either of your available browsers, make sure you go to the page combocleaner.com. So through this official website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then after you download the software, install it and start carefully researching your computer with its help. By the way, Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and in the trial mode only quick scan option is available. After you finally start Combo Cleaner, you will need to click on the Start Scan button, and after you do that, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So do not skip the update process of Combo Cleaner, because this is a really important step for proper detection and elimination of this ransomware called ForceLock. So make sure the application is properly updated. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin researching your computer. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license only. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but in the description to this video you'll be able to actually find more information on how you can possibly recover your data.